2018 Audi A5 gets a hatchback body style that adds a measure of utility to run with its smooth and energetic extravagance cachet. The 2018 Audi A5 family developed for this present year. Notwithstanding the car and convertible, the A5 presently incorporates a devastatingly gorgeous sportback that takes the two entryways outline and includes two more entryways. It's the car in view of a car in light of a vehicle figure of speech that is prominent with German automakers. The outcome is an A5 that is better than anyone might have expected. It holds its atmosphere as a style pioneer both all around, yet now emerges for enhanced power and dealing with a cutting-edge advanced instrument bunch, and the new, more down-to-earth sportback body style. With those qualities, we rate the A5 a 7.5 on our general scale. The A5 imparts its running rigging to the A4 and Q5 hybrid. All A5s accompany Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive framework. However, the Roadster has the Quattro Ultra framework, which can detach the back hub to spare fuel. Sportier variations called S5, in all body styles, and RS5, offered just as a car, are accessible also, yet we survey them independently. The A5 has one motor. It is a turbocharged 252 torque 2.0-liter inline-four mated to either a 7-speed double-brass transmission or a 6-speed manual, the last just in cars. The A5 doesn't need for control, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in under 6 seconds, and it travels in loose solace. Mileage is great, as well, at 27 miles per gallon joined. The motor has moved more distant back in the case and the auto has cut a touch of weight, enhancing dealing with. It's a sportier auto this time around, yet the S5 and RS5 are for the individuals who need a genuine amazing tourer, on account of the S5, or even a track auto, the RS5. Indeed, even at the A5 level, however, a Drive Select framework gives drivers a chance to solidify or mellow the edges. Audi gives the A5 more dynamic well-being gear for 2018, including forward crash admonitions with programmed crisis braking, raise cross-movement cautions, and dynamic path control. All A5s are very much prepared, with highlights, for example, calfskin seats, programmed atmosphere control, Audi's MMI infotainment framework, and encompassing inside lighting. Choices incorporate Truant, a Bang & Olufsen sound framework, Audi's innovative virtual cockpit advanced instrument group, versatile dampers, and 4G LTE information administrations with a Wi-Fi hotspot. $42,800.